Next, we are about to talk about sets. We are about to discuss set. So we studied set. Remember what uh, in Python data structures. All right, we studied set in Python data structures, but this set is different. This set is what? This set is different than. All right, this set is different than the Python set. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So let us talk about sets. Okay, I deleted that by mistake. Although it will basically it won't save. No problem. All right. So let us do what? Let us take again the subcategory ship mode subcategory and sales. All right. So this is what it is. So we want to point out what we want to point out it out to the manager, the lowest number of sales. As a business analyst, you want to do what? You want to point out the lowest number of sales. So how will you do that? How will we do that? Take the mouse in the air and just select these. All right. We can select with the help of control also. That was the easy method. This is also an easy but fast method. Select all these. All right. We have what? We have this. This was for grouping. This is for creation of set. Create set. All right. Subcategory set. All right. Now it will say to add to the filter shell what? These appliances, art, bookcases in a category in alphabetical order. See appliances, art, and you want you can remove also with the help of this. You can remove also. So fasteners will be removed. All right. So this is what it is. Just a second. Gone. All right. So it has already. So add to subcategory set. Remove to subcategory set. All right. So we have what? We have a set over here, and that has it is saved over here. All right. That has been saved over here. Let us remove this subcategory and let us take what? The subcategory set. All right. So in out subcategory set. So what is in, what is out? In is the subcategory set that we selected that had 495. That included what? Appliances, etc. etc. All right. If we right click and go to edit set, so you can see appliances, art, and so on. In and out. All right. Let us do what? Let us drop the subcategory over here and sort it. And let us do what? Let us drop the subcategory set in colors. All right. So what did I do? Let us have a look at it once again. All right. So I did what? I took subcategory set. I plotted subcategory against sales, and I did what? I plotted subcategory and took it into the colors marks card. Marks card. And what marks card? Color. And dropped it. So you can see fasteners we removed. All right. Fasteners we removed. So we'll just to take give an example. We removed fasteners. How to remove? Let us edit the set. All right, let us edit the set and let us first do just a second. Edit the set. All right. So as you can see, we cannot add any further. We can add only through this. So let us do it. Let us delete this set. All right. Let us delete this set. Let us create a new set. All right. So we'll do what? We'll take from bookcases. All right, and select all and create set. All right. Simply apply. All right. Now we'll do what? add it to the colors part. All right. Now in the colors part, we have an option of editing the colors. All right. So gray and this and all. So we have the what option to edit colors. All right. Now for in, select the in, and I want to participate, of course, with this. And for no, for in we want to participate with this red, and for out we need to do out about that are these that are in gray currently. And that are in gray currently, as you can see the legends over here, in and out. All right. So this is what it is. So we'll do what? We'll basically apply it over here and okay over here. So you can see basically it should be red, but the red option is not available over here. All right. We got reversed. Orange is more suitable. All right. So these represent what? These set represent. We can name it low sales. Low sales. So we can present it in our presentation. If we go to this particular slide presentation mode, all right, this will give you what? This will give you the presentation. This is sheet 3, sheet 2 grouping, and this is drill down and hierarchy. That's how you can present. Press escape to come back to the working point. So this is how we create a set. This is how we create a set. Now we can do what? Take the sales quantity, drop in the labels marks card. So as you can see the lower number of sales. And now if you want to check the category, we can drop the category. All right, drop the category. It will give us what? Now sum of sales, remove the sum of sales. All right. So it will show what? It will show the below sales that are in the low sales. It will show it as what? Orange. Orange. And the ones that have above sale threshold will show it as what? Blue. Similarly, if we drop it over here, right? So in technology, we have what? We have zero low sales. We have a lot of low sales in office supplies, appliances, paper, art, envelopes, labels, fasteners, and we have bookcase and furniture. So we need the from this we understand what? From this analysis visualization, we understand that we need to pay heat to what? We need to pay heat to office supplies more because the less number of sales are there. All right.